Hello everybody. Today we're gonna fold what my brother accidentally folded, an airplane that works pretty well, and let's start folding it. So what you need is an A4 paper. First, you fold it in. You have to do it but with A4 paper, you have to do it sideways like this. And then now you have to fold it in half like this. And line it up. And then crease. Okay, we just stop for a second because my brother told me something, but let's continue. So we folded it in half and open it up, and then fold like a triangle until it gets to the center crease that you made. Let's continue because my brother paused it again. So you gotta fold like a triangle to the center crease like this. Yeah, and then do the same thing on the opposite side over here, and then fold it down to the center. My brother just paused it again, but you fold this side over here and to the center crease that you made, like this. So it should look like this. Now fold it in half like this. And it should look like this now. Fold the wings. The wings should align with this part over here. So for example, and also it needs to align with the nose. So like that. And then it aligns with the top like this. See? And now we'll do the same thing to the other side. If you hear that sound, that is, wait, you stop recording. If you hear that sound, that is from my mom. She's just watching all the way over there. Wait. Watching all the way over there. Okay, let's continue. So you do the same thing over here. Like that. And this is also simple. I'm just gonna, and since I have this like flat part over here, you can just open it up over here, open it up, and then make this go in, and then just fold this in, and then fold that in, and then close it again, and then now it's gone. Okay, let's continue. I did not align that pretty good, so I'm gonna do it again. Now it should look like this on both sides. Now open it up with, I'm gonna do it one by one like this, and then on the other side do the same thing. And then now for the last step. and you fold this down. But it has to be touching the nose over here, but it does not have to. And now you fold this top part down, touching this whichever wing. Let's do that. Brother paused it again, but it's okay. Let's continue. So you have to fold it from the nose first, and then fold the rest down. It's kind of difficult, but like that. And now your plane is ready. And if you test it out, I dropped it. Sorry. 3. I'm just gonna fly it toward you. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. How good was that? Okay, that was the end of the folding. And also, I'm gonna do it to this big space over here. 3, 2, 1. How good was that? If you enjoyed folding this, like and subscribe, please. And see you later. Bye.